Hi guys! Check out na kami guys! So ayan, nag-jacket tayo guys kasi malamig dito. Kahit na summer. Oh! Ayan, ang aking husband. So, sa likod kami ng hotel. At ayan na nga. Punta kami sa mall ni aking husband. So, ayun na guys. Bumili kami ng shoes ko. 3 shoes. Ito pang isa. So, sa peso is nasa 15,000 peso siya. More than 15,000 peso.
Yeah, but one shoe pair for free.
Yeah, ang isang shoes is free.
Yeah, so 800 kronor, so shy of 5,000 pesos free.
Yeah, 5,000 pesos free.
20,000 pesos.
Yeah. How much total?
Huh?
How much total in peso? Just like
3,800 was everything in total. So that's almost 20 actually.
15,000.
No, you're
Oh yeah.
You bought accessories. So
May accessories pa pala.
So
Mga
about
20 or 19,000
it's my
peso.
treat.
Yeah. Ayan no, suksukon ko na guys.
Money.
Yeah. Regalo ni Thomas ang isa. Kasi if 2 ang bibilhin, may free na 1.
Like I
So,
paid
19,000
1 shoe and
pesos.
she will pay for 1 shoe. That's
Yeah.
like 1 pair.
Thank you, Shada. Oh, where are we now? Okay. So, ayan guys. Hindi ko nakabidyo kanina guys. Kakain kami mamaya ni Thomas. Ayun lang naman. Suotin ko ng aking shoes. Kasi need ko talaga ang shoes.
What's the clock now?
So, ayun guys. Ano na kami? Biyahin na kami going to border ng Sweden at Norway. So, 2 hours. From galing sa Östersund pupunta sa border. Tapos border to Trondheim. 2 hours din. So, total is 4 hours. So, yeah. Sa border, we will buy something there. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan siya guys. Papalabas na kami dito. Biyahe na lang. Malamig dito guys. Nawala lang ang lamig ko guys kasi may bago tayong sapatos. So ayan. Diba? Punta tayo dyan sa Maxi. Bibili kami ng water. Kasi kung sa gas station mahal. So dito kami magpa-park ni Thomas. Bibili. Ayan. Siyempre mag-jacket tayo. Kasi malamig.
Say.
Yeah, it's fermented but it's a small fish. I'll show you.
Yeah, but the rockfisk isn't. The rockfisk is bigger.
Yeah, that is a big fish.
Yeah.
Fermented. And I want to eat kimchi with egg. Oh, yummy.
Gordon Ramsay tried the rockfisk.
Yeah.
He struggled with it because it smelled.
Smell.
But it's the reason people eat it is because of the texture. A lot of wind today. See the
Yun guys,
waves?
oh, napakaganda. Oh my god. Ay, napakaganda talaga guys. As in, super. This is Scandinavia. Oh. Diba? Guys. Oops. Recycle ni Thomas. Buhos niya. Automatic na dito guys. Lagay mo lang dyan. Dito kami sa Sweden. So, automatic na siya. And, ayan, dalawa yan. Kasi dito niya yan binili. 2023 pa ata. Automatic na siya So, ang 1 kroner is nasa 5.6 ang palitan sa Philippines. So, i-times nyo na lang kung magkano. So, dito na guys ang chocolate mismo. Yan oh, mga malalaki oh. Mars. Chocolate. Wow, Shada. Sala talaga guys. Iba yung kanina na binidyohan ko. Iba. Oh my god. Yeah, I want M&M. M&M is my favorite. It's a small Mars. Oh, ang dami. As in, guys. Super. Oh my gosh. Yes. It's big. Oh my god. My M&M. I want this. Yeah, M&M.
Yeah. Let's say
40. 41. We need to find other.
I don't think they have.
They still have. We find another M&M if there's.
I'm not sure. If
There. Wow. This one, Shada, that one, oh, the black one. I think the same. It's the same. Okay. Yeah, just that one.
you want this one?
If you want.
That's a bigger. I think it's one bit different.
It's big.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
god,
these-
guys.
Let's see if we can buy some chocolate.
Oh my gosh, it's a lot. Diba? Bongga talaga, guys.
It's actually a lot small. A lot
Small
of
only inside. Yeah.
I remember when Christmas I actually got one that was that big.
I thought
You
it's
had to
big.
lick.
Yeah.
It took forever. I think I hid it under the bread at the end.
What is this, Shada? This is, you can eat also?
These kids.
Ah, okay. Hershey's.
Hershey's. This is what you.
Guys, ang dami nila guys. As in talaga. What's that?
I like this one. This I like.
Can get it. Kick
And
bites.
the
Yeah.
It's white.
Chocolate.
It's a different
You can get the chocolate. There's no, ano siya, it's all white. Guys, oh my god. Mga ganyan, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited to buy this one, Shada. Uy, and send to the Philippines so that they can try also.
You will send this to Philippines?
Yeah, I want to buy. Of course.
Yeah, I mean.
It's because, you know,
Okay.
they're
You just have to make
excited.
sure.
They're excited. What's that?
One gummies.
Oh, gummies, your favorite.
That's
Nice, Shada. It's a lot.
So this is similar for the what Coop has.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Shada, this one, Shada, oh. For my, ano?
For your
For my
family.
hungriness.
We buy two then. But these
One
are not,
only. One only. We will find the one. The other
But we
one.
can buy this on the way back. No, we
Oh.
can't. We are not going through her.
Ah, really?
Yeah, we are not going through her.
Just one only. What is this? Coffee.
Doesn't sound good.
This one, Shada, oh. Buy this one.
Instead of
This is different.
Like both of these.
Yes, both of that.
Then you
Put
have-
in the car.
Okay, this is enough.
Yeah. Oh, this one, we have that one in the house.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yan, guys. Ayan ang cabin dito. Oh, kita nyo, guys. Hindi nyo na makita. Kasi wala nang ano. Welcome to Norway again!
We
Ayan,
haven't been
Shada.
Norway yet.
Ay,
That
border
was
pa lang kami.
That
Ayan,
was
guys.
only the customs.
Sa custom pa lang, ayan. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda ng mga bahay dito guys. Hindi nyo na makita guys. So, ayan na custom kami. Ayan. So, 2 hours na naman ulit. Welcome to Norway, guys. Yun na ang border. Hindi ko na na-videohan.
We have yellow lines in the middle.
Yeah, yellow lines na. Norway! Basa ang Norway. It's wet.
New road here.
Yeah.
And fixed up the road here.
Ayun, ang ganda, guys. Sa baba. Hindi nyo lang makita. May mga snow pa dito, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, Norway na talaga kami, guys. Diba? So, ayun, guys. Ito ang nabili namin. Ewan ko how many kilos to, guys. Ayan, oh. Ganyan siya kadami. Kaunti lang binili namin, guys. Kasi, ano lang, para makatikim-tikim. Diet kami, guys. Diet. It's vacation, but try natin tong parang social na ano, na candy. Kasi I'm hungry na. Thomas now eat if I'm hungry.
Monster cones.
Go. Caramel sa salad. Sa loob na caramel, sa labas chocolate. Dami. Guys, oh, napakaganda mo talaga, Norway. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, doon pa, guys. Ayan. Ay, nako, talaga. Grabe. Malahayan. Laki. Dito sa Norway, guys. Wow, kung nakapamana ako kang sundalo, abaw, hindi ko makalabot dyan sa my Norway, guys. Kung nakapamana man ako kang seaman, abaw, hindi man ko kalabot dyan sa Norway, guys. So, thank you lang kay nakapamana ko sa ako nga kano Norwegian pagit. I'm thankful and blessed kanami. Namin nga balay. Puti. Color white. Guys, no. Pagit. Duro mga namin nga mga view, guys. Pero hindi ko lang na videohan. Kaya natamad rin ko mag-video kaina. Kabiyahe kami. Oh my gosh, guys, ito ang next tunnel, guys, na maagian namin ni Thomas. So, yung isa napakahabang tunnel, guys. Anak ko. Ewan ko lang kung ilang minutes ito ang ating tunnel ngayon. Ay, naku, guys. Grabe talaga, guys. Mahaba siya, guys. Condense na talaga ang bintana ni Thomas, guys. Ayan, oh, condensation. Kanina kasi wala. Be careful, Shada, okay?
I think this has a different, so we have to use the AC again.
Yeah, we need to use AC.
So difficult to know sometimes. To use
Ayan, yeah, it's okay.
Fix the problem.
Yeah. Yun, guys, oh, parang nakakatakot lang talaga, guys, na mag ganito. Mga ilan pa daw ang maagihan namin na tunnel, guys. How many tunnels left, Shada? How many tunnel left?
2 after this.
Yeah, bali 4 tunnels ang maagian naman, guys.
Yeah.
Kaina lawit na ay, ang haba ng tunnel. Kanina, parang nakakatakot, parang alam mo yun. Pero ang dito lang kasi sa tunnel nila, guys,
this one is already done, it's not so long.
Oh, eto hindi not too long, this one. The first one is very long, yeah? Oh my god, is that hell tunnel, yeah? Hell tunnel. Ay, sa wakas talaga, guys. Oh, ayan. Guys, oh, that is Everest hotel. Yeah.
Under the hotel is
Yeah, Shada?
Yeah, we're gonna eat there.
Yeah, soon. So, welcome Tradheim! Tradheim na kami, guys. So, ayan. Welcome Tradheim! Yahoo! Hi, guys! Melhus na kami.
Oh, I need my wallet then.
Yeah, don't forget. Yan, guys. Melhus na kami, guys! Dito na kami sa kung saan lumaki si Thomas. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? Bongga. May bibilhin lang kami, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Mwah!